Here's what happened in Vtubing last week in about 60 seconds. Fillion hit 1 million subs on YouTube and celebrated in the exact way you'd expect Fillion to. At this point, I honestly expect her entire head to just pop off one day. Our boy Tectone announced he's going over to the dark side and becoming a VTuber, finally graduating from rolling for anime PNGs to becoming the anime PNG. In Twitch news, for the end of September, Twitch decided to give 25% off for subs and to uncap hype trains so that they can now reach any level. Something that was pretty cool to watch as streamers compete to see who could get the highest number. Though some VTubers that had subathons earlier in the month seemed just a tad annoyed, no idea why. The Niji Fest, which is the annual Nijisanji festival if the name didn't give it away, has some cancellations and scheduling shifts for a lot of the non-JP talent. Since the festival was held in Japan, it might be because of visa issues, but I personally think they're just trying to quarantine Vox given how horny he's been on main recently. Ending on a far more serious note, it turns out Kronii has terrible taste in food. A common symptom for VTubers, but I draw the line at maple syrup and tuna.